Anything, anything you need, you just call my name and I'll be right. Anytime you need me.